This puzzle was asked by Make My Trip in their interviews. Do you think we're smart enough to solve it? Let's jump to it. The puzzle goes like this. You have 5 identical jars of pills. Each pill is equally identical in all characteristics, in shape, smell and everything else. Now in a normal jar, each pill weighs 10 grams, while there is one contaminated jar. In this contaminated jar, each pill weighs 9 grams instead of 10. Now you are allowed to use a digital weighing scale only once for measurement. The question goes, how can you determine which jar contains a contaminated pill using a digital scale only once? For clarity, each of the jars will contain at least 10 pills, but it's not fixed that they will contain equal number of pills. It can be more, it can be less, but they would have at least 10 pills. Pause the video for 30 seconds and think about this puzzle hard and very hard. Let's see if you are able to solve this puzzle or not. If not, not an issue, we'll get back to it. So were you able to solve it? If yes, then great. Comment down your answers in the comment section. If not, not an issue. I'm here. Let's discuss how this puzzle is solved. So let's reiterate through the problem once again. We had 5 identical jars. One was contaminated. Each normal pill weighed 10 grams while the contaminated ones were 9 grams. So now what strategy should we follow? Let's say we take one pill from jar 1, 2 pills from jar 2, 3 pills from jar 3, 4 from 4 and 5 pills from jar 5. Now what will happen in best case scenario? Let's say if if each of these pills weight the same, then the final weight should have been what? 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 is what? 15, and 15 into 10 leads to 150 grams. This is the the best case scenario. But since we know that one of the pills is one of the jar is contaminated, therefore how do we understand that what should be our answer? So let's say if the final weight reading shows 149 grams. If it's 149 grams, this means that there is only one pill which is contaminated. Now we know that since we took only one pill from what? Jar 1. This means jar 1 should be the one which is contaminated. Right? Now understand this. Since we were increasingly taking consecutive higher number of pills from each jar, this means, let's say if there was a difference of 1 gram, it means that we took the contaminated pills are from jar 1. Let's say if it is 148 grams, this means we have a difference of 2 grams. And how many pills did we take from jar 2? We took 2 pills. This means, jar 2 was contaminated. Similarly, if it was 147, then it should be jar 3 because we have a difference of 3 grams. If it was 146 grams, this means it was jar 4 because we took 4 pills from there. And finally, if the weight is 145 grams, which is a difference of 5 grams, it would mean that we took, jar 5 is the culprit because we took 5 pills from it, contaminated. So in this way, you will be, able to find out which jar is contaminated by using only a single measurement. So were you able to, comprehend this solution? And how do you like this solution? How do you like the puzzle? Do drop your comments, likes and share.